Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can start annexating a country in Europa Universalis 5. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the diplomacy right here, and you'll need to click on the actions right here. And after that, you'll see this subject actions, sorry, and here you'll see start annexation. So if you click on that one, you will be able to select the countries that you can annexate. And for this action, you'll need to eventually have a diplomat and you need to have some opinion. So right now I have only 111 and it needs at least 150. And for the for every country, you'll need something. So for every country, you'll need a diplomat, and for others, it may require another point to do. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.